It's like 8:30 in the morning, and as I mentioned earlier in the vlog, we have a tropical storm coming, and it's starting to get choppy. And just like that, we're ready for Florida. Alright guys, a quick update. We're on the road. We've been on the road for like 3 hours. We got about 2 hours left. We're currently in Alabama, probably about 30 minutes or so from the border of Alabama and Florida. We're all ready to get out of the car, but we're excited. And before I get any further into the video, just please excuse what's on my face and what's on my head. I look homeless. I couldn't get a haircut in time, so it is what it is. I'm going to Florida nappy. So, anyways, Peyton's in the back. Huh? Hi. And of course, you know who's behind the camera, the wife.
Oh, really bad.
All right, so we'll see you when we get to Florida. So I feel like I might need to catch you guys up on a little something. So, long story short, we arrived here in Florida, and after 2 5-hour drives, because we split it up, we are here. You can see the view. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous how good the view is here. Not only is we can see the ocean, but then we can see like all this. Like, seriously? It's Am I supposed to know something different?
Yes.
What?
I don't know.
Oh, your necklace. She got a necklace last night at this candy store of all places, and it had a necklace with her name on it.
I'm special.
Quick update. It's like 8:30 in the morning, and as I mentioned earlier in the vlog, we have a tropical storm coming, and it's starting to get choppy, and like half the beach is gone because of the storm surge. So it's getting real. I don't think it's gonna be like all that bad, but you know, this is our first time being on the beach when a major storm is coming. So what do you think, Tiff?
Nervous, but it's really pretty watching it roll in.
Alright y'all, so today is Thursday. I skipped vlogging yesterday because I wanted to take one day to not have to worry about picking up the camera. So this vlog might be a little bit choppy. Might be a little choppy, but today we're here at Pier Park, Panama City Beach, Florida. Peyton, are you excited?
No.
Baby, are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. It's putt-putt time.
I have the little numbers on it.
Are you ready for this butt whooping?
No, you ain't ready for this butt whooping.
Y'all crazy.
Your battery charged me?
What happened? Watch your feet.
I'm right back where I'm like, I'm gonna be here a little bit.
Hey! We're gonna do that one more time. Take two. And not a terrible shot. Not gonna lie, that was pretty lame.
Your thing?
We skipped like 6 holes.
Yeah, no, I try like 8.
I mean, it's just hot. Like we're in Florida. We're from Texas. We're supposed to be used to the heat. We all sweating. Well, see, I wore pants. Tiffany wore pants. He was the only smart one.
He's
in
wearing
the
all
workshop.
black though.
He is wearing all black.
But
But
these are only
Peyton
gray.
always wears all black though.
Yeah.
It's true.
But I mean, Jaden as well. Not just pants, but you're wearing joggers and bottoms too. That ain't gonna help.
Yeah. I mean, it is what it is.